the question. Because it's also buzzer dependent, we want to check the buzzers again. I will start with Jsmq. Please press your buzzer. Fantastic. Sacred Heart. Good. Then Breku Methodist. Fantastic. Best wishes to you all. First set of questions. A student is to measure 20 centimeters cube of sodium hydroxide solution. What instrument can be used? Sacred Heart.
Volumetric flask.
Please no. That is a measuring cylinder or a pipette. Next question. The property of a metal that makes it possible for it to be beaten into different shapes. Sacred Heart.
Malleability.
That is correct for 4 points. Next question. Black pod is a disease of black pod. Oh no. That is for cocoa. Cocoa. Next question. A farmer has 3 bags of rice, each containing 5 kg. And he buys another 7 kg. Use the associative property of addition to find the total weight of the rice. Breku Methodist.
2 kilograms.
That is not correct. Sacred Heart.
15 times 7 is equal to 7 times 50 equals 105.
Oh no. That's not correct. The answer is 17 kg. Next question. A computer program that enables users to surf the internet is known as Sacred Heart.
Internet protocol.
Please no, that's not correct. That is a web browser. You will surf the internet. Web browser. Next question. Cockroaches in a cupboard were killed after an insecticide had been sprayed. The insecticide reached the cockroaches by the process of I'm repeating the question again. Cockroaches in a cupboard were killed after an insecticide had been sprayed. The insecticide reached the cockroaches by the process of Sacred Heart.
Diffusion.
That is correct for 4 points. Next question. The type of cloud formed closest to the Earth's surface is called Brekum Methodist.
Ozone layer.
That is not correct. That's the stratus cloud. Last question in this round. A number is 6 more than twice another number. If the smaller number is 5, find the larger number. Yeah, so the answer is 16, and that is the end of round 2. That's the end of round 2. And kindly again note that this quiz is organized by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, supported by College of Science and College of Engineering. Again, some of our sponsors are the KNUST E-Learning Center, the Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. We have Gridco, we have MTN, we have Kesben University. And these are scores at the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, we have Brekum Methodist B with a total of 4 points. Let's give a hand of applause to them. Then we have Jape Chrome Presby GHS with a total of 7 points. Then we have Sacred Heart GHS with a total of 11 points. So we move straight away to the third round. And the third one is what we call the Science and Technology Challenge. In this round, 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round requires contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. We have 10 minutes and it's 10 points as well. And it's really powered by what we call the desk science set. So the preamble to all schools is you have been provided with an assortment of components and a light dependent resistor labeled LR. Your task is to identify the circuit symbols, select the appropriate components, and construct the circuit represented by the circuit diagram below. So you have the diagram in front of you. You have to do that. Then task 2 is to turn on the switch and observe what happens to the LED, the LED. Then later, task 3, you cover the LDR with the thumb and observe what happens to the lead again. On completion, it's 10 points and you have 5 points. You give reasons for the observation made in the task. That is 2 points for task 2, and that is 2 points. Then you give a practical application of the circuit diagram based on the observation made. That is again 3 points. So contestants, as I said from the beginning, you have 10 minutes and it's 10 marks for this given round. Do you have all your tools so that we can get going? So all the best. Let's keep moving. So you have 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes to go. Less than 2 minutes, you should be wrapping up by now. So your time is up. Stop work. Stop writing. Stop writing. Yes. Relax. You come around and pick. You check your score, your result, whatever you have. Stop writing. Stop flipping your sheets. Okay, so welcome back. And that was an awesome round. We're given a diagram. The diagram, you had a diagram and some questions were asked. And in task 2, you observe that the LED will stay off or dim when you switch is turned on. And it brightens when the LDR is covered with the tamp. Again, the LED stays off because the conductivity of the LDR increases in the presence of light, and hence more electrons flows in its direction. So we're looking at some of these answers, these related answers. And you all did marvelously. We had your first task given was to set the thing up appropriately. Where is it? So you were to identify the circuit symbols, select appropriate components, and construct the circuit represented by the diagram below. You have to do the same thing. Turn on the switch and observe what happens to the LED. Cover the LDR with your thumb and observe what happens. And that was 5 points. It was 5 points for that. You all did marvelously well. And averagely, you did okay, but not to the fullest of task. And I'm giving 3 marks, 3 out of 5 to all schools. So Sacred Heart 3 over 5, Jsmq 3 over 5, and Brekum 3 over 5 for the major task. Then for question 1, you were to give reasons for the observations made. You were to give reasons. Sacred Heart, you didn't give enough reason. That is 2 points or 2 marks. Sacred Point, you didn't provide enough reason. So that is 0 over 2. Jsmq, I'll give you 1 over 2. And for Brekum Methodist, I'm also giving you 1 over 2 for that. Then the second question was to give a practical application of the circuit diagram based on the observations made. And for that, Sacred Heart provided, your answer was accurate. Whatever you provided was accurate, and I'm giving you 3 out of 3 for the second question. Jsmq and Brekum didn't give any answer for that, and that is 0 out of 3. So in round 3, we have Sacred Heart with 6 out of 10. We have Jsmq with 4 out of 10, and Brekum Methodist with 4 out of 10. Putting that fantastic. So putting that together, we have this as the score, the total score at the end of round 3. So at the end of round 3, we have Brekum Methodist B, Basic School, with a total of 8 points. A hand of applause to them. A hand of applause to them, 8 points. Okay, so at the end, as I was saying, at the end of round 3, these are total scores. Brekum Methodist B, Basic School, have a total of 8 points. Let's give them a hand of applause. 8 points. Jsmq Presby JHS with a total of 11 points. Then finally, we had Sacred Heart JHS with a total of 17 points. So finally, we move to the final round, that is round 4. And this is what we call decoding the clues. In this round, I'll be reading series of clues, like clues. So it's 5 clues per question. So when I give the first clue and you know the answer to whatever I'm asking, you press your buzzer and you you present your answer. If on the first clue, your answer is correct, you have 6 points. If it's not correct, I will continue reading, and the other schools will have also the opportunity to answer. Just that you just have one attempt for a question. If I read the second clue and any other school gets that correct, it's 5 points. When I move to the third clue and the answer is correct, that is 4 points. But any other clue, after the third point, after the third clue, the student, or you're going to have 3 points for that. Again, you have to press your buzzer before you answer a given question. If the clue is correct, you have the clue in mind you just mentioned. At this point, you have 6 for first clue, 5 for second, 4 for third, and any other clue is 3 points. You are not deducted for getting an answer wrong, just that you do not have the opportunity to answer the given question again. Because it's again buzzer dependent, I will want to check the buzzers again. I'll start with Jsmq. Fantastic. Brekum Methodist. Then finally, Sacred Heart. Good. Fantastic. But before we move on, we start the round. There's a substitution we have to make here. We have Sacred Heart. Ohineba, we thank you so much for coming. We thank you so much. I want to receive Mary as a substitute. Mary as a substitute. Let's welcome her. Let's welcome her. Mary, you are welcome. Mary, you are welcome. Okay. Again, Brekum Methodist B Basic School also want to make a substitute. And Josephine is leaving us. Thank you, Josephine, for giving us a fantastic contest. Want to receive Antoniette. Let's welcome Antoniette with a hand of applause. Annette, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, we move straight to the question. First set of questions. I am a blood vessel in a human body. I am connected to the left atrium of the heart. There are typically 4 of us in humans. 2 from each lung. I'm unique from all other blood vessels because the blood I carry is also unique. My main function is to transport oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Who am I? Sacred Heart.
Pulmonary vein.
That is correct. A hand of applause to them again. Next set. I am an oxide iron mineral. Next set. I am an oxide iron mineral. I am commonly associated with igneous and metamorphic rocks and can be found in some sedimentary rocks as well. I contain both Fe2 and Fe3 ions. I appear as black or brownish black crystal with a metallic luster. As my name suggests, I am strongly magnetic and exhibit mineral magnetism. Natural magnetism, who am I? Sacred Heart.
A magnet.
No, please. Oh, Sacred Heart. Magnetite. So it's not just a magnet, magnetite. Next set, last but one. I am a type of storage device. I was invented in the 1950s by IBM. I am often used to store large amounts of data, such as operating systems. I am made up of platter or read-write head and a spindle. I employ the use of rotating disk when storing data. Who am I? Brekum Methodist.
Ram.
That is not correct. Sacred Heart.
Digital versatile disk.
Come again. What did you say?
Digital versatile disk.
Digital.
Versatile disk.
That's not correct. That is a normal hard disk, HDD, hard disk drive. It's in every laptop, desktop. Final question in this round. I am an optical instrument with special functions. I am curved and transparent. I am often found in telescopes and glasses too. I have a positive focal length. I am used in spectacles to correct hyperopia, that's far-sightedness. Patient, who am I? Sacred Heart.
Periscope.
No, that is not correct. Brekum Methodist.
Proton.
That is not correct. Japan, any attempt this time, but if you have anything? No. So that is a convex lens. And that brings us the end of day 2, contest 2. Day 2, contest 2. Let's give a hand of applause to our contestants. They've done marvelously well. So before we announce the score, we want to let you know that the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And our collaborators are the College of Science and College of Engineering, all from KNUST. The coverages, the venues brought to you by Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Then we have the DEX Science people supporting us with the round 3. We have MTN stakeholders, we have the key partners, all making sure that we have the best of contest. So we acknowledge and we thank them so deeply for supporting us. And at the end of round 3, these are our scores. At the end of round 4, these are our scores. We still have Brekum Methodist B, still with 8 points. A hand of applause. Brekum Methodist, 8 points. We have Japekrom Presby GHS with 11 points. Then we have Sacred Heart GHS with 20 points. So, Japan, in this second contest, we have Sacred Heart GHS emerging as winners. And I'm proud to announce that we're going to see you at the Nationals in Kumasi next month. So keep preparing, just keep the composure. Definitely going to meet again tomorrow for the final round as we look for the winner for the Bono region. Probably Japekrom we might meet, but if you don't meet, Japekrom and Brekum, we're definitely going to meet next year. Thank you for giving us such an awesome contest. You've done your best. Even sitting on the stage is not an easy task. You're going to have some of your people going to be laughing at you, but even sitting there is a plus. You've done so well. It's a good exposure. Let's keep the fire burning and let's keep moving. So congratulations again to Sacred Heart. A big round of applause to them again.